How's it going, guys? Today we will continue the partial fraction series. This is part 2 of the series. If you want to check out part 1, the card will be up top and it'll catch you right up to speed. And so now we're given this integral where it's a very complex fraction. And so we can actually simplify this into a lot simpler values and integrate with ease. Let's set this up where we have 3x minus 4 over x plus 1 times 4x plus 3 equals a over factor 1, which is x plus 1, plus b over factor 2, which is 4x plus 3. Now let's get rid of the denominators by multiplying both sides by x plus 1 times 4x plus 3. And so the denominator cancels out on the left side, and we get 3x minus 4 equals a of 4x plus 3 plus b of x plus 1. Now, if we plug in x equals -1, you'll notice on the b term, it will actually cancel out to give us 0. And so then we can solve for a. So we get 3 times -1 minus 4 equals a of -4 plus 3 plus b of 0. And so we can solve for a, and a here is 7. Similarly, we're going to make x equals -3 over 4. And this is because now we want to solve for b, so we want to cancel out a to isolate b. And so we get 3 times -3 over 4 minus 4 equal a of 0 plus b of -3 over 4 plus 1. And so, doing some basic algebra, you get b equals -25. Now let's rewrite this with our a and b values in mind. And so we have 7 over x plus 1 plus -25 over 4x plus 3. And so what you notice here is instead of a plus the -25, I just made it minus instead, and it's the exact same thing. And so now we know that 3x minus 4 over x plus 1 times 4x plus 3 is equivalent to 7 over x plus 1 minus 25 over 4x plus 3. We can continue with our integration. So we get the integral of 7 over x plus 1 dx minus the integral of 25 over 4x plus 3 dx. And now we just integrate, and these are both the antiderivative of the natural log. And so we get 7 times the natural log of the absolute value of x plus 1 minus 25 over 4 times the natural log of 4x plus 3. And then the plus c. Now the reason I have this over 4 here is because we have a 4x plus 3. So it's essentially the chain rule. We have to consider the chain rule because when we find the derivative of the natural log of 4x plus 3, it'll be the derivative of the natural log of 4x plus 3 times the derivative of the inside function, which is 4. And so to cancel that out, we add a 1 over 4 here. And that is our final answer. The derivative of this complicated looking fraction here is 7 times the natural log of the absolute value of x plus 1 minus 25 over 4 times the natural log of the absolute value of 4x plus 3 plus c. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped, and good luck.